Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into something that's probably all over your social media feeds.
Ah, you mean the Wuffy Robot Dog. Seems like you can't escape it.
That's the one. Advertised everywhere as America's #1 AI-powered robotic puppy. Big claims.
Huge claims. And our mission today is really to look behind those slick ads, because they promise the world German engineering, handmade with love.
Right, walking, barking, tail wagging, even reacting to human emotions. All that screen-free comfort for kids.
It sounds amazing.
Especially with those deals, right? Like 70% off, bringing it down to what, $39 or $59?
Yeah, exactly.
And those testimonials, they look pretty convincing. Are we sure it's all just marketing?
Oh, definitely. The marketing is pure impulse buy territory. You mentioned the testimonials from parents and teachers. Well, our sources show they're mostly unverified. Probably AI-generated text or just swiped from fake profiles online.
Wow. So the trust is manufactured right from the start.
Complete.
Okay, but setting aside the marketing for a sec,
Yeah.
the AI claim itself, that price, around $50, should that have been an immediate red flag?
Absolutely. That's really key context. Think about real sophisticated robotic pets like the ones Sony or Tombot make.
Yeah, those are complex.
Exactly. They need intricate sensors, advanced software, complex motors. I mean, stuff that actually costs money to develop and build. Hundreds, usually thousands of dollars.
Okay.
So the kind of tech needed for genuine AI power just makes a $39 or $59 price point totally impossible.
Right. So if the tech's impossible at that price, the price itself and the claim is maybe the biggest lie.
It points directly to the core of the whole thing, which is misleading drop shipping.
Drop shipping. Explain that.
We track down where the actual product comes from, that German-engineered puppy. It's a generic mass-produced toy from China.
Okay.
You can find the exact same thing on sites like Alibaba or Temu for like $1, maybe up to $3.
Wait, $1 to $3?
Yep.
And they're charging $50-60 for it.
It's an insane markup, built entirely on that false tech promise.
That's, wow. So what do people actually get when they order one?
Well, it's pretty disappointing. Basically a cheap plush toy, sometimes with a kind of hard plastic shell inside. And there's a tiny speaker that just plays some random, really teeny barking sounds.
So absolutely zero AI.
None whatsoever.
What about being rechargeable? That's usually a big selling point.
Also not true, generally. Buyers report they often just take standard AA batteries, if they even work.
If they work.
Yeah, many reports say they don't move at all, despite the ads showing them walking and wagging their tails.
Okay, so people realize pretty quickly they've been ripped off. What about that 30-day money-back guarantee they advertise?
Forget about it. Customer service is basically non-existent.
Right.
People trying to get refunds, they report getting no replies to emails, no updates, and definitely no money back.
So it's just take the money and run.
Pretty much. And you have to understand, this isn't a one-off thing. It's like a network. When one name, like Wuffy, gets too much bad press, they just shut it down and pop up under a new name.
Ah, recycling the scam.
Exactly. You might have seen earlier versions like the Milo Robot Dog, KB Koala, or Happy Puppy.
I think I remember seeing ads for those, yeah.
Same scam, same fake videos, same German-engineered story, just a different brand slapped on it.
Okay, so let's just summarize this deep dive on the Wuffy Robot Dog. The product itself, it's fake, at least compared to the claims. The story behind it, fake. The reviews, also fake.
Right. It's a classic dropshipping operation dressed up as some kind of tech breakthrough.
So the real takeaway for you, the listener.
Yeah. The takeaway is, since this whole scam network just keeps rebranding and popping up again, you really need to be skeptical if a price seems way too good to be true for something claiming advanced AI or tech.
It probably means the product isn't genuine. The claim itself is the warning sign.
Exactly. Always try to verify things before you hit that buy now button,
Yeah,
especially on social media ads.
Good advice. Always verify first.